Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning factorization. Today our topic is factorization by regrouping. Factorization by regrouping means rearranging the terms of algebraic expression, group them in pairs, taking the common factors from each group. When this method is used when the common factor is not visible directly. Yeah, we'll take one example from the question number 3, factors. Okay, the question is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So what we had to do in the step number 1, we had to group the terms. So x square plus xy is one group and one more group 8x plus 8y is the second group. Okay, next take the common factors from the each group. From the first group, x square plus xy, we can write it as x into x plus x into y. What is the common factor here? X is the common factor. So take x out from here, x into x plus y. In group, okay, we can write it as 8x plus 8y equal to 8 into x plus 8 into y. What is the common factor here? 8 is the common factor. Take the 8 out from here, we can write it as 8 into x plus y. Now the expression becomes, we had to join these two groups. Okay, x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. Okay, in this expression, what is the common factor? X plus y is the common factor. Okay, so we had to take the x plus y common factor from out. So take the common factor again. X plus y into x plus 8 is the answer here. I'll explain the problem one more time. The question is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8. First, what we had to do, we had to group these two terms. Okay, group the terms into the two terms. Okay, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8. Okay, take the common factor from the each group. Okay, here the common factor is x is the common factor. Take the x out from here. We can write it as x into x plus y. From the 8x plus 8y, 8 is the common factor. So take the 8 from here. We can write it as 8 into x plus y. Just join these two expressions. We can write it as x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. Okay, what is the common factor here? X plus y is the common factor. Take the x plus y out from here. We can write it as x plus y into x plus 8. So next problem, 15x minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. First, we have to group the terms. Okay, after grouping the terms, we have to find the factors. Okay, 15xy, we can write it as 15xy, we can write it as 3 into 5 x into y minus 6x, we can write it as 3 into 2 into x. Next, plus 5y minus 2. We can write it as 5y minus 2. Only one is the common factor. Just okay. Next, in this expression, x is the common factor. 5y minus 2 plus 1 into 5y minus 2. So we can write it as 3x plus 1 into 5y minus 2. So what we did is, first we group the terms. After grouping the terms, we are trying to find out the common factors from the first group and second group. In the first group, 3x is the common factor, and here in the second group, there is no common factor. We can take as 1 also. So 1 is the common factor here. So this 3x, 5y minus 2 is the common factor here. Take the 5y minus 2 out here. We can write the expression as 3x plus 1 into 5y minus 2. So next problem, ax plus bx minus ay minus by. What we have to do? First we have to we have to group the terms x minus ay minus by. Okay. Here what we have to do? We have to group the terms ax plus bx and minus ay plus by is the one more group. Okay. After grouping the terms, we have to find the common factor. So what is the common factor in the ax plus bx? X is the common factor. Take the x out from here. We can write it as x into a plus b. Okay, y plus minus by. What is the common factor here? Y is the common factor. And one more, minus also the common factor here. So, why we need to take minus y? Because in the first group, we already have the a plus b. So in the second group also we are expecting the same. That's why we had in the second group also we had to form a plus b as a common factor. So what we had to do, we had to take the minus y out from here. Minus y is the common factor. So what are the terms left from the minus y came out? What is the leftover term a? Next, minus k mode. So we can write it as plus. Okay. Here minus by, y is the common factor. Okay. It went up. So what is the leftover term b? So minus ay minus by we can write it as minus y into a plus b. Okay. So what is the common factor again here? A plus b is the common factor and x minus y is the remaining factor. Take the a plus b out from here. We can write a plus b and x minus y is the final answer. Next problem, 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. Okay. For it as 15pq plus 25p plus 15 plus 9q. Okay. Just we rearrange the expression for finding the common factor. After rearranging the factor, what we had to do, we had to group the terms. This is one group, this is the second group. Okay. From the first group, what is the common factor we had to find? Here P is repeated, P is repeated. Okay, what are the factors of the 15? 5 3 is 50. And 25 we can write as 5 into 5, 25. So, and 15 we can write it 3 into 5. 9q we can write it as 3 into 3 into q. Okay. So from the first group, what are the common factors here? 5 is the common factor. One more is p is the common factor. So take the 5p out here. What are the remaining terms? 3 and q plus one more 5. Here 3, sorry, 5 and p is the common factor. 5 and p is the common factor. Take the 5p out from here and we are writing the remaining factors. In the second group, what are the common factors here? Only 3 is repeated. Okay, just take 3 out from here. 3 into 5 plus 3q. Okay, so our 5 plus 3q, both are same. So we have to take the 3q plus 5 common factor out from here. Okay, 3q plus 5 we have to take out from here. Then what are the leftover terms? 5p plus 3. The final answer is 3q plus 5 into 5p plus 3. Next problem. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So in this expression, for finding the common factors, we have to rearrange the expression. Why? Here z minus 7 we can't find any common factors here. So for finding the common factors, we have to rearrange the expression. So we rearrange the expression. Z minus xyz minus 7 plus 7x. So z minus 7xyz is the first group. From the first group, we have to take the common factor. What is the common factor? Z is the common factor. Okay, we have to take the z out from here. The 1 will be there. Okay, 1 minus x. Okay, minus 7 plus 7x5. What is the common factor here? 7 is the common factor. So for finding the common factor here, we had to find the minus 7 out here because here 1xy is the factor we already found out. Okay. So for matching the 1 minus xy, we had to take the minus 7 out from the second group. So minus 7 if we take, what are the leftover number? 1 will be there. Okay. Here we are taking the minus out here. So the plus becomes here minus. Okay. Then what are the leftover terms? X and 1. If we multiply these values, we have to get minus 7 plus 7x. Just minus 7 into 1, minus 7. Minus into minus, we can write it as plus. So 7 into xy, we can write it as 7x. So what is the common factor here? 1 minus xy is the common factor. Take 1 minus xy out from here. Then what are the leftover values? Z minus 7. If you, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.